Feeling ko, for us girls naman, feeling ko, since low-key yung relationship nyo, not a lot of people would know about it.
Mhm.
And they would think na you're single minsan.
They have assumptions.
Yes.
Yeah.
And so parang feeling nila na dahil she doesn't post about it that much,
Mhm.
siguro, hindi sila seryoso.
Yeah.
Diba?
Okay.
Nagkaka-doubt
Gets.
sa partner minsan.
Mhm.
And also to people. So siguro, minsan baka magka-argument pa kayo if ever, just because na low-key kayo. And like, they assume that, siguro if I chat her, like, pwede siya lumabas with me or something like that. Ikaw ba?
Yeah, siguro kasi it's hard to tell. Example, ikaw, you're in a relationship pala. Tapos like I try to I try to make my way na parang hindi naman sila masyado. Hindi ko sila nakakita masyado na like very expressive together or always together. Pero because you're just trying to keep it low key. So parang I will think yun nga na I have a chance kasi hindi naman sila like I don't always see them together. Pero well, that's where you are wrong kasi they're just trying to maintain the low-key relationship. Pero some other people then, just because it's a low-key relationship, sometimes there's a line, parang blurry line between low-key versus yung you're
Tintago? Ganun.
hindi din. Pero what's that? Parang you're not giving much effort. Parang you're going down low.
Oo, parang
kasi,
kampante na lang.
Oo, naging
Kampante.
complacent ka na. Kasi, well, low-key naman tayo. Okay, I won't try as much because like, low-key.
Tsaka feeling niya, hindi naman malalaman to ng mga tao na I'm like this is how we are, yung ganon.
Yeah. I think din, siguro din just a thought, pero baka din kaya na if low-key, I feel like there is some couples out there na they have a blurry line of like how much effort should I give or how much should I like hanggang dito lang because the other one wants to keep it low key or yun.
Gets parang ayaw mo na gawa ng grand gestures to not catch attention or something like that.